Hi, first graders. We are going to start writing. I know it's been a long time since we started writing together, but we do need to move on to be prepared for second grade. And we're going to start with the new writing style that is writing to explain why. So you're going to answer a prompt question and then tell me why you chose the answer for that question. So today is day one. I'm going to model, which means I'm going to talk a lot. So if you need to take a break, get the wiggles out, go ahead and pause the video. If you need to watch the video 2-3 times, please do so. It is a lot of information, and I know it's hard because you're at home and I'm at home, but we're going to try to do the best that we can. Okay, so let's get started. Our question this week is, what is your favorite food and why? So we're going to start with what we always start with, which is a brainstorm activity. So when we brainstorm, we start with a circle map. And in the middle of a circle map, we have our topic. And then on the outside of the circle map, we have answers that go with our topic or things that describe our topic. So if we look at the question, what is your favorite food? We know we're going to write about our favorite food. So our topic is favorite foods. And so what goes around favorite foods are going to be ideas of what our favorite foods are. Some of our favorite food ideas could be cheese pizza, could be turkey sandwiches, mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, and fruits. So because I am modeling today, it is Miss Garcia's writing. So Miss Garcia is going to choose what her favorite food is. And some of you know this answer. You could go ahead and try to guess. The one I chose to write about is chicken nuggets. Now, because this is our brainstorm, I do select my topic for this writing, which is chicken nuggets, but it still doesn't answer the second question, why? So we need another thinking map that'll help us come up with ideas for why. And that brings us to our second step. So the first one was brainstorming, and here comes the second step. I'm going to have my circle map to reference because I do need all these ideas. They do help me lead to the next ideas. And now I'm going to work with this new map. Now we've used this map a couple of times before, and mostly we used it with some arrows pointing to the right side, but this is a one-sided flow map. So in the middle, we have a long rectangle, and that's going to be where we put our answer to the question or what we are explaining. So our topic would be here in this long rectangle. And then on the left side, we have smaller rectangles that all give us the reasons why. So for our prompt of what's our favorite food and why, I'm first going to answer the question, which I really did in step one. So if I look back to my circle map here, I see that I circled chicken nuggets because that's what I chose my answer to be. So in this answer area, I'm going to write in a sentence that my favorite food is chicken nuggets. So here's my sentence: chicken nuggets are my favorite food. Now I have to think of 4 reasons why chicken nuggets are my favorite food. So go ahead and take a moment to think, why would you choose chicken nuggets as your favorite food? What makes them so good? What do you like about them? The reasons what I chose chicken nuggets to be my favorite food: they are crispy, they are warm, I can eat it with different sauces, and sometimes it comes with a toy. So these are the reasons why I chose my favorite food. Notice how the ideas in my boxes are all simple sentences. I know we're not used to writing sentences like these anymore. We usually look for adjectives and adverbs and conjunctions like and, but while they're here in our thinking map, they're still just ideas. So these aren't going to be our final sentences. We're going to add all the adjectives and all the juicy details later. This is just step 2 of a 4-step process for this writing method. So again, we have what's your favorite food? Chicken nuggets are my favorite food, and the reasons: they are crispy, they are warm, I can eat it with different sauces, and sometimes it comes with a toy. Now it's going to be your turn. On a separate assignment, you are going to see this one-sided flow map. I still left you the titles for what each box is to help you out. But you are going to answer the question in this longer rectangle on the right side. And then in the smaller rectangles, you're going to give me all the reasons why you chose your favorite food. Okay? So the question is still going to be, what is your favorite food and why? I'm going to have this circle map that I made for you. I know usually we brainstorm together, but it's a little hard to do it these days, and since it's the first time, I wanted to get you started with something. So I am asking that you choose your favorite food out of this circle right here, because it's our first time. Now, if you feel like you could come up with 4 reasons why on your own, 4 reasons why you chose your favorite food that is not in the circle map, then you could go ahead and do it. But you do have to get approval from your teacher to move on to the next step, which we're going to do on Wednesday. So please make sure that you are choosing wisely, especially for this first time. I think it's a really good idea, because it's our first practice, that we choose something that we could work with together. So chicken nuggets sounds like the way to go. Now, if you do choose chicken nuggets, you may have different reasons why you like chicken nuggets, and you do not have to use the reasons that I chose. The reasons I chose are the reasons why I like chicken nuggets. But you might like chicken nuggets that are in shapes of stars. You might like chicken nuggets that are in shapes of dinosaurs. So you could go ahead and write those reasons why in the boxes on the left. Just make sure that you are writing them in sentences. So we should see capital letters in the beginning of the sentence, and then punctuation at the end of each sentence.